In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GoDaddy account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to register a domain, set up hosting, or explore other services offered by GoDaddy, having your own account is the essential first step. Let's get started. First, you'll need to fire up your favorite web browser and head over to the GoDaddy website. It's a straightforward process that primarily involves creating an online identity through which you can manage all your GoDaddy services. Once you're on GoDaddy's homepage, look for the option to sign up. GoDaddy offers multiple ways for you to register, ensuring that you have a seamless experience. You can quickly sign up using an existing Google or Facebook account, saving you time from manually entering information. But if you prefer to use an email address instead, no problem at all. Choose the Continue with Email option. This way, you could carefully enter each piece of information, creating a distinct account just for GoDaddy. If you go the email route, it's important to note that GoDaddy will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Keep an eye out for this email, as you'll need the code to verify your new account. It's all part of their security process to ensure that you are indeed the person creating the account, providing an extra layer of protection. After you've received the verification email, you'll find there is a unique code included. Simply navigate back to the GoDaddy verification page. Don't worry, they guide you back there during the sign-up process. Enter the code carefully on the verification page. It's crucial to get this right to complete your registration successfully. Once the verification code is accepted, congratulations are in order. You have created your own GoDaddy account. From here, you'll have access to a dashboard where you can easily manage your domains, hosting, and a wide range of other services offered by GoDaddy. The platform brings a suite of tools and services to make managing your website needs as intuitive as possible. In just a few simple steps, you have not only created an account, but also unlocked the vast array of functionalities that GoDaddy offers. From registering domains to hosting websites, you'll find the tools you need to grow your online presence. And that's it for today's tutorial. Remember, with your GoDaddy account, you have everything you need to dive deeper into the world of website management. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful guides and tips.